Doctors say spending at least 2 hours in nature every week can improve our health and well-being. Today, we're indulging in nature at a much deeper level to optimize benefits. The method? Forest bathing, or shinrin-yoku as it's called in Japanese. These are stressful times. In this series, we're trying out wellness activities to ease our nerves and relax our mind. In this episode, we hang out with forest therapy guide Jasmine Nance to understand how reconnecting with nature can help us beat stress.
How different between forest bathing and hiking?
So, for me, the experience of hiking is that we often start at point A and we finish at point B. So it's about getting somewhere. Forest bathing is different in the sense that it's much more about coming into the present moment and being in tune with the journey of what is happening rather than trying to get somewhere. Often when we're coming from an urban environment with our lifestyles being so busy, one of the most uncomfortable things we can do is actually slow down because we've gotten used to the pace that we're going of, getting quickly to the MTR station or getting quickly to work or getting quickly to the restaurant.
Today, we begin our journey on an unconventional trail full of rocks, though Jasmine says you can go to any place you feel naturally drawn to.
So one of the benefits of slowing down and really walking with intention is that we get to notice things that we may have ordinarily walked past. What I really encourage people to do when we come on these forest bathing experiences is to have a really childlike curiosity and to allow ourselves to experience the environment around us through all of our senses. And so really the permission to touch and explore all the different textures that we may come across.
Yeah, it's actually very soft.
Jasmine says the practice of forest bathing is inspired by the Japanese term shinrin-yoku, which means to base your senses in forest. It came about in the 1980s when Japan faced a mental health crisis following a tech boom. To promote well-being, the government encouraged people to head out into the forest and immerse all senses in nature. Now, forest bathing for wellness is gaining momentum around the world. Hong Kong is no exception.
One of the other things that I personally enjoy doing, but it's not necessary if you don't feel comfortable, is to actually take off my shoes. And what that does is immediately connects me skin to skin almost with the earth.
With the nature.
Yes.
I feel so nice.
Immediately, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Very softly, very gently close your eyes. All right. And so just cradling the leaves that you hold in your hand, moving your fingers through every edge, every surface, and then bringing our attention to our sense of sound, listening to all that surrounds you now. And we move our attention to our sense of smell, drawing in a breath through your nose, taking in all of the scent that is around you.
Yeah, I can smell it like very fresh.
Conscious or even amplified use of senses like sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell play an important role in this journey.
Yes, and I like the sounds, like the orchestra from the winds, from the birds, and from, or I remember probably there's a bee or something like just around me.
Our tour today includes a short meditation and a tea ceremony to help tap into my inner calm. Other practices like deep breathing or yoga can also be included in a forest bathing experience like this. The sense of increased gratitude and appreciation is also real. With the meditation over, Jasmine encouraged me to share my gratitude with nature.
That we offer a little bit of tea back to the earth. We can offer it to the rocks or to the soil or to the leaves and to the trees, but it's just to pour out a little bit of tea, just our way of honoring the beautiful, beautiful space that we've been able to enjoy today.
Clinical studies have suggested forest basing could have real health benefits. Participants recorded improvement in levels of blood sugar, stress hormone, and blood pressure. Studies claim it can even increase production of white blood cells. Despite a high population density, nearly 40% of Hong Kong is covered with country parks and nature reserves. There are plenty of options for forest basing. While Tai Po can be a good spot, Jasmine suggests forest basing doesn't necessarily have to be done in a forest.
The practice of really just coming back into our bodies we can do anywhere. We can do on our lunch break. If you're sitting under a tree and eating your meal, is just noticing where it is that you feel the wind coming from, or what is it like to feel the sun, on your skin, or just to smell the food.
Jasmine typically guides a forest basing walk for about 3 hours. It's recommended to walk at a snail's pace to fully immerse in nature. Walking with a trained forest therapist can make you feel more comfortable, but it is just as easy to forest base without a guide and interact with the environment.
And we hope that you like this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Bye!